Hey everyone, it's Cameron from Cape Fear Notary Services, that's class, and welcome back to our final chapter review of the North Carolina Notary Public Manual. Today we're diving into Chapter 9, Changes in Notary Status. This chapter covers the important obligations notaries have when their personal or professional circumstances change. Let's get started. As a notary public in North Carolina, you are required by law to inform the Department of Secretary of State of any changes in your name, address, county of residence, employer, or phone number within 45 days of the change. If you move out of state but still work in North Carolina, you must notify the department and may keep your commission in your county of employment. However, if you relocate to another state and no longer work in North Carolina, you must resign your commission. In the unfortunate event that a notary passes away, the state is responsible for notifying the department in writing and delivering the notary's seal. If the personal representative didn't know the deceased was a notary, they aren't required to comply, but must provide a statement under oath if needed. The change of status form can be accessed on the department's website, www.sosnc.gov, under the Notary Public section. Notifications of any change must be signed and sent to the department by fax, email, or certified mail, and in the case of email, your typed name can serve as an electronic signature. Now let's break down some specific changes that require notification. 1. Change of address. If you change your residence, business, or mailing address, or even your phone number, you must notify the department within 45 days, providing both your old and new information. 2. Change a name. If you legally change your name, you must send a signed notice within 45 days. You can continue notarizing under your old name until you get confirmation from the department, take a new oath at the Register of Deeds office, and get a new notary seal in your new name. Failing to take the oath within 45 days renders your commission inactive. 3. Change of county. If you move to a different county, you just need to notify the department. You can still notarize using your old seal until your commission expires. When you reapply for commission, you'll list the new county. And 4 is if you change both name and county, you'll need to submit a reappointment application and follow the same process as the name change. Failure to follow these steps can lead to disciplinary action, so it's important to stay on top of your notifications. Additional obligations. Notaries also must notify the department of other significant changes, such as convictions for crimes involving moral turpitude, one of our fun vocabulary words from chapters 3 and 4, losing the ability to read, write, or speak English, civil liability findings based on deceit, professional license issues, misconduct findings or charges, including false advertising or unauthorized practice of law. Resignation. If you need to resign, you must send a signed notice and return your notary seal to the department. Resignation is automatic if you move out of the state or can no longer perform notarial duties. Disposition of seal. If your commission is resigned or revoked, you must return your notary seal within 45 days. The Secretary of State will destroy it to prevent misuse. Disposition of the notary journal. It's recommended that notaries keep their journals for at least 10 years after their final commission expires, though you might want to hold on to them longer depending on your industry. And that's a wrap on Chapter 9. Before I let you go, I want to briefly mention Appendices A and B. These are the bibliography and works cited for the 9 chapters we covered. If you want to dive deeper into some legal jargon that governs notarial acts in North Carolina, check out Appendix A, the Notary Public Act, and Appendix B, Subchapter B Rules. The links are provided to both in the video description. And thank you for joining us as we work through all 9 chapters of the North Carolina Notary Public Manual. It's been a journey. Stay tuned because next we'll be diving into the e-Notary Manual, and I've got an exciting series coming up on absentee voting in North Carolina. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. That's Cape Fear Notary Services. That's class. See you next time.